Okay, so we're starting to get some testimonials with ranking proof from a few people who we give review copies to in exchange for running some tests and giving us some reviews. Okay, so I built this tool for me primarily, and I just want to show you. This is a demo video that we did for the Reoptimizer tool, and this was done just a few days ago. Okay, so if I come down and we look into the tags here, I think it's from TubeBuddy, you can see we're ranking for YouTube traffic tool for marketers, traffic tool for marketers, number one, YouTube traffic tool number one, ultimate traffic tool number one, ultimate tool for marketers number two, and YouTube traffic is number 8. Okay, how does it work? Well, basically we're adding all of the elements that we can add, that we are able to add from YouTube. We can put in the timestamped key moments, we can put in video series, and it gives us good title, and it gives us 3 paragraphs of text. Put some keywords within the description, some hashtags, etc. as well, and plus added a first comment, a pinned comment with a call to action as well. Okay, so it's got all the elements that you need. Now, of course, YouTube has its own algorithms as well, and this is why the power of AI doing the copywriting can be very good. Okay, so just quick proof this works. Okay, and you will see some other testimonials for that on the sales page.